Which should you prioritize? Lifting weights or doing cardio? Especially for all the women out there. I've never seen a woman who lifted weights or women that I train who lifted weights that got bigger. Actually, more women got bigger by doing diet alone and not resistance training. Why is that? It's because when you do diet alone, yes, you will lose weight, but you will also lose muscle mass. That's what I call TOFI. Thin outside, fat inside. My advice to all women out there is prioritize resistance training to build lean muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more stronger you get, the more toned you are, and the more curves you develop in your body. You just don't want to be thin. You also want to look good when you're naked. And how do you look good when you're naked? When you have that lean body. And how do you get a lean and toned body? It's by lifting weights. Especially to women who are older, you should prioritize more resistance training because women tend to lose more muscle mass. If you lose more muscle mass, you're susceptible to accidents. When you trip, your hips might break and will lead to bigger surgeries. If you want to be fit, healthy, strong, and have a great body, prioritize resistance training. If you need more information, message me or be trained personally by me and let me help you become the best version of yourself. So to all the women out there, prioritize your resistance training.